for stopping by today. Today we're going to personalize these ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it's a bell. And it hangs on a tree. We're going to add the name. This is my oldest daughter, Kayla. But first, we'll measure the name with this little measuring tape. And you'll make it like from here to there, so it won't overlap the stars. And these are vinyl. Somebody called it a sticker in one of the other videos. It's vinyl, and you cut it out on a cutting machine like a Cameo, a Cricut, a Solo machine. Brother has one as well. And you cut it out with the vinyl and you weed it. So I already did that. I got the transfer tape already on it. But if you would weed it out and you lay the transfer tape down, and you would just use your squeegee like this and just go over it, so it all lay down flat and you're able to pick it all up at once like this. So you just take it, and I had wiped this down before the fact. You just lay it down like this, wherever you want to lay it at. I just lay it in the middle. Then I'll just take one side at a time, like this. And then I'll just peel this side up. If it stick. I'll roll it down. Like so. So I'm just gonna pick this side back up and roll it over, like lay this down now since I'm lifting the other side up. So I'll bring it over. Then I want to show off because I'm doing a video. And you lay it down like this. I'll lift that up so it can all lay flat. And if you have different letters and it's gonna make it like wrinkle here, you could cut slits in between the vinyl and make it lay down a little bit better than this. But this is for my Christmas tree. And here it go. And it says Kayla. And you'll hold it up like that. And there you go. And it's from the Dollar Tree, the bell. And I cut the vinyl out myself. I forgot what font that is. And here you go. Thank you for watching.